Welcome back to Eatsy. Today we're going to be making green bean jelly noodle salad. This dish is 100% vegetarian. The jelly we'll be making is made from green bean starch rather than gelatin.
Nice.
You can probably find this starch for yourselves in your local Asian markets. The ratio of powdered starch to water is 1:5, so for every cup of powder, you use 5 cups of water. And each cup of jello with the water makes about 4 servings. So for each cup of powder that you use, you should be able to make about 4 bowls of salad to serve. So in a large bowl, pour as many cups of the powder as you need to get the servings that you want. In this video, we doubled it because we wanted to have extra, so we have 2 cups of powder. Add in 1 cup of cool water to start integrating the powder into the water. Here we've used 2 cups of cool water to melt our 2 cups of powdered starch. Stir the water and starch mixture vigorously until it's all incorporated. Our other 8 cups of water are on the stove. We bring that 8 cups of water up to a boil and then pour in our liquid jelly. You can rinse the bowl out with another cup or 2 of water. It's not going to hurt anything in the long run. When you pour the jelly in, it's going to be white, and you stir it vigorously until the jelly turns clear. It should look like this. Pour your jelly into a bowl to let it cool and solidify.
Yummy!
And in the meantime, you can prepare your vegetables. Start by cutting a carrot into thin slices, and then slice those slices again to make kind of like carrot noodles. Do the same thing with a cucumber. Next is optional peanuts and peppercorns, and of course, if you have somebody with nut allergies, feel free to skip this part. Take your peanuts and peppercorns, fold them into a paper towel, and then crush them with a rolling pin. Now let's go back to the jelly. When it's fully set, you can flop it out onto a plate or onto your cutting board. Fancy people have cutting things like this that they use to make their noodles, but we don't have one of those. Is cut your jelly circle into quarters, cut the quarters into slices, and then slice the slices again until you get them as fine as you want them to be. Then distribute your noodles into your serving bowls. In each bowl, add in some of your cucumber, some carrot. This sauce that Auntie is using is our universal sauce that we use so often we made it its own video. Please see the link in the description for how to make it. This next sauce is a sesame dressing that you can get at Costco, Walmart, and even on Amazon. Then you can top it off with some optional cilantro, and then your optional peanuts. And there you have it, jelly noodle salad. Here we plated them as a complete meal alongside our hot oil fish and our chive dumplings. You can find both of those recipes in our playlist. Please let us know if you've tried any of these recipes and how they turned out for you down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give a like if you want to.